Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. I'm not sure what you mean if they took his bond. Do you mean they're canceling the bond or they gave him bond? Are you talking about the criminal bond or the immigration bond? If you're talking about immigration, then basically immigration issuing a bond is an indication that ICE will not take him. The only reason for the bond and the only reason immigration gave it was because he likely will have immigration court and he will have to go back to court once the date is set, and the bond ensures that he does that or the bond gets lost. If he got a criminal bond, that has nothing to do with immigration law, which unfortunately many people don't realize because they end up paying thousands of dollars to get a criminal bond only to be released and then taken immediately into immigration detention, upon which they may not qualify for a bond. When it comes right down to it, the immigration side of it's more important because that's where you're going to end up or not end up in detention, and that's where you're either going to be deported or not be deported. So before you even think of paying a criminal bond, you need to consult with an immigration attorney to make sure you qualify for before you pay a criminal bond, consult an immigration attorney to make sure you qualify for an immigration bond. Now, qualifying and getting are also two different things. You may make a bond motion in immigration and you may qualify for it, but the judge may not believe that you are not a flight risk. The judge may not believe that you won't be a risk to society, and all the various other reasons that a bond won't be issued. And if that's the case, then the immigration judge, is going to deny the bond. Now, you can appeal that, but that's going to take a very long time. So first, make sure you're not under mandatory detention, that you qualify for a bond, and then you'll go from there. Now keep in mind that if ICE comes to you and they try to make you sign something, don't sign it. But they really don't have jurisdiction to physically take you until you are either released from the criminal detention or your criminal hearing has already completed. If you're in the midst of a criminal hearing, it's unlikely ICE will take you at that time. Okay?